Okay, recording a video here. This is the topic that's most clicked on for tonight's homework assignments. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Understanding the basic descriptive vocabulary of molecules with functional groups. This is something probably that would fit very easily in ChatGPT. Command C. Let's go here. Gemini. It's probably going to give me an image, and I can just copy it. Of course, I don't think you should do this. I'm just testing it to see if it will work. You can do it, but it's just gonna end up being busy work if you do. If you want to learn it, you should try doing it. This is going to be wrong. Wow. Okay, but they'll get this right soon. I'm sure some of you have already figured out how to get this right, and you should, right? You should know how to do. You should know how to do these things, but I'm gonna. Whoa, what happened? I thought it was a carboxylic acid. Whatever. This time it says ketone. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. 6 carbons. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. With a ketone in the main chain and 1 methyl group substituent. So I'm going to take the easiest methyl group substituent and put it there. And the ketone I'll put here. Boom. I don't know if I'm supposed to with the line structure. Do I have to put the lone pairs of... I don't know if I do or not, but I'm going to do it anyways. Boom, boom. And what I have to do in order to do this is I've got to look up what a ketone is, because you're not supposed to know that yet, right? And so this is going to be a counting game where you find a main chain. You might not even know what that is, right? So you have to go look this stuff up. The main chain is, I just make a main chain. 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The easiest thing to do wrong here is to do like 6 sticks, which is going to give you 7 carbons. Watch this. That's 1 stick, 2 sticks, 3 sticks, 4 sticks, 5 sticks. That's probably the easiest mistake to make, but you'll get over that fast. And then 1 methyl group substituent. You have to look what that means. And I've never even told you what a substituent is, right? So there's a lot of things you have to look up. You could ChatGPT it. It turns out Gemini gave me the wrong answer here, but whatever. There's lots of things it could be. I'm pretty sure that's right. And somehow ALEKS is not giving me green here, but this is correct. I'm going to click the explanation, and we'll see. They're probably going to put the ketone in a different place. I could have put the methyl group here. I could have put it here. You can't just put it at the other end, though, because if you did, that would make a 7 carbon chain. And they put the... How different was that than mine? I don't know. If mine was... I think I put my methyl group here. It doesn't matter where you put the methyl group, as long as you have a main chain at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a ketone means you've got a double bond oxygen somewhere in the middle. Right? Can't be at the very end. Let's try another. And then I'm going to post this video. A cyclic ketone with 6 carbons. Okay. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my cyclic. It snapped into a nice hexagon for me there. A cyclic ketone. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to go without the lone pairs of electrons in here. See this time, and see if I get in trouble for it. A skeletal or a line structure, which is this. Cyclic ketone, 6 carbons, and no substituents. So this will be it. And I'm not going to get any green. I'm not sure why I'm not getting green here. I think there's some kind of a bug in the system. They'll fix it, but this is correct. I'm going to go to the explanation. This one didn't have any substituents, so there's no other place to put it. It'll show me a 6 carbon ring with a lone pair of electrons in there, and probably the ketone will be like in a different orientation, maybe the same thing. And there it is. Right? They put theirs straight up. Obviously, this thing's flipping around in space all the time, so it doesn't matter where this goes. Could have been anywhere, but that is the answer. And hopefully that's helpful. What you're going to do is you're going to go in here. Hopefully, you're going to go in and look this stuff up. It'll be a little bit longer, but then it's going to end up not being busy work, but it'll be actually good practice for you. The more busy work you do, the longer it takes you to get through this course well. So if the deadline's on top of you, you got to Google stuff. But if you have time, then you can learn it well the first time around. Again, the pressure's also off because you can always learn it again later, right? Okay, hope that's helpful.